Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save Messenger photos automatically. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Messenger application. Once inside, you'll be on the main screen, which displays your Chats menu. This is where all your conversations will appear. Step 2. Now, locate the contact to save Messenger photos automatically for. Tap on them. Step 3. Next, locate the profile photo and tap on it. Step 4. Now scroll down to locate the Save Photos and Videos option and tap on it. Unfortunately, this Save Messenger Photos automatically option is turned off. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the Save Photos and Videos that you receive option to turn on instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.